a corporate lawyer, and I recently got promoted to senior executive. And moreover, because of the learnings that I've had from here, I also pitched in this idea of a deal desk. Especially the community here, I think is really, really, really absolutely kind. I cannot stress over it more than that. It feels overwhelming to even think that 3 months didn't just fly by, they went at the speed of light. I didn't even realize it until today morning that this is going to be the last masterclass. So I think happy times pass by really quickly. I mean, everybody has covered all the technical points that there may be, but I just wanted to tell everybody that there's always help available when you want it, right? You just have to ask for it. Especially the community here, I think is really, really, really absolutely kind. I cannot stress over it more than that. They're absolutely kind, very emotionally supportive, very theoretically supportive. They're never going to come and tell you that, oh, that's a stupid question. They're always going to be like, a question is a question. You tell me, I'm here to help you out. So please ask for help whenever you can. You can also reach out to, us who are already graduating out of GGI. So everyone is always available for you. Do not hesitate. And thank you, Satakshi, for all the knowledge that you've imparted in us. So for context, I used to work as an associate with an MNC. I'm a corporate lawyer, and I recently got promoted to senior executive. And moreover, because of the learnings that I've had from here, I also pitched in this idea of a deal desk, wherein now we will review all the opportunities from a strategic and legal and, a holistic point of view, which they also took it very well. So, and it's a 4,500 people employee company. So it's a big thing. So thank you so much for facilitating everything, and I love you all.